In a world where technology is advancing at a breakneck pace, there's one area that's capturing imaginations and spurring innovation like no other: artificial intelligence. But what exactly is AI? How did it rise to prominence? And most importantly, how is it changing our lives? Before we dive into these questions, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find our content helpful. Your support helps us continue to bring you engaging content that breaks down complex topics into digestible bits. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In the blink of an eye, it seems, artificial intelligence has leapt from the realm of science fiction to a reality that's transforming every sector of our society. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, the impact of AI is profound and far-reaching. By 2028, the global AI market is projected to reach an astounding $263 billion. But what is AI really? And how does it work? At its core, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. And no, we're not talking about robots taking over the world. We're talking about systems that can learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Take the example of ride-sharing apps. They use AI to calculate the time of arrival for your ride. They consider factors like current location, destination, traffic on the route, and even the time of the day. That's AI in action. Or consider the recommendation systems on your favorite online shopping or streaming platforms. Ever wondered how they seem to know just what you'll like? That's machine learning, a subset of AI, where machines learn from data to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. To start your journey in AI, a good understanding of machine learning is crucial. It's like learning the alphabet before writing a novel. And the most common language for this is Python. Python's syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it perfect for beginners. You'll also need to get comfortable with libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, which provide the building blocks for designing machine learning models. Data is the lifeblood of AI. It's what machines learn from. But raw data is like unrefined gold. It needs to be processed to be valuable. This involves cleaning, normalizing, and transforming data to make it suitable for your AI models. Once you've pre-processed your data, it's time to train your model. This is where the magic happens. The model learns from the data, identifying patterns and making connections. But how do you know if your model is any good? You evaluate it, using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Staying updated with AI trends is vital in this ever-evolving field. Follow leading AI researchers, join online communities, attend webinars and workshops, and read AI-focused publications. And finally, nothing beats hands-on practice. Apply what you've learned in real-world projects. Maybe you could build a recommendation system for a local bookstore or design a model to predict traffic patterns in your city. The possibilities are endless, so dive in, start your AI journey today. It might seem daunting at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. AI is not just the future, it's the present. And it's a fascinating world waiting for you to explore. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your first step? Choose a project that interests you. Whether it's building a chatbot, a face recognition system, or a predictive model, the key is to start small and gradually take on more complex challenges. Don't be disheartened by initial failures. They are a part of the learning curve. Learn from your mistakes and keep iterating on your models. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your AI expertise be. Patience is truly a virtue in the world of AI. Join a community of learners, collaborate, share your work, get feedback, and learn from others. This will not only improve your skills, but also boost your confidence. Finally, never stop learning. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new techniques and applications emerging almost every day. Stay curious, stay updated, and stay hungry for knowledge. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.